Dr. Makuch? What was your favorite rotation? Why?
I think I talked enough about the OB rotation and why I liked it. One of my other more favorite rotations that I was on was it was for general practice, like a family medicine rotation my fourth year it was kind of a newer like continuity like PCP clinic out of Ochsner. So it was a resident or a med student / resident run clinic. There was a couple physicians in there, and we didn't see many patients a day. We saw maybe like 5 or 6, but the day would be like 12 hours long because we spent maybe 2.5 hours with each patient. And it really, taught me a lot about social determinants of health. And I think it was a large part of the reason why I wanted to stay in New Orleans, because we just, we talked a lot about people's past medical history, but we also talked about being able to like afford food and housing, and then actually we're the ones finding those resources, not just kind of messaging or emailing our social worker. Like we were the social worker and we were the pharmacist. We were packing all their pills from the pharmacy and giving them to them. So it was just a really kind of eye-opening experience, and I think one of the main reasons why I stayed in New Orleans.
What are you most proud of as a UQ-Ochsner student?
I would say probably both the connections that I've made with my Australian classmates that have been, very strong, and it's been really wonderful to see kind of where everyone has ended up. I think I feel really proud for, not only myself, but a lot of work that the, students, I actually go to Ochsner with a lot of UQ graduates from different years. But I think it's really great to see where everyone's kind of ended up and all the stuff that they do just in New Orleans for the community that's outside of residency. And I think that was really enforced to us kind of early on in Australia. We had talked about it a little while ago, but it was, talking about, learning more about social determinants of health and the Indigenous populations in Australia was really early on there. And we just got more of that teaching at Ochsner. So I think, I'm proud to see all the kind of outreach that my fellow graduates are doing.